Hello and welcome to Zimist Coded. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create different types of lines in Microsoft Word using simple keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. First, place your cursor where you want the line to appear. This is the starting point for each type of line we'll create. Now, type 3 or more of the following symbols in a row, depending on the type of line you want. After typing, simply press Enter, and Microsoft Word will automatically convert it into a full line. For a single solid line, type 3 hyphens in a row like this, dash, 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 and press Enter. For a double line, type 3 equal signs in a row like this, equal, 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 and press Enter. Dotted line. For a dotted line, type 3 or more asterisks like this, star, 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 and press Enter. To create a bold line, type 3 underlines in a row like this, underscore, 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 and press Enter. Wavy line. For a wavy line, type 3 tildes in a row like this, tilde, 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 and press Enter. Triple line. And finally, for a triple line, type 3 number signs in a row like this, hash, 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 and press Enter. And that's it. You can quickly create these different types of lines by using simple keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Just remember to type 3 or more of the correct symbols and press Enter. Let me know in the comments which line style you use most. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more Microsoft Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.